Hey crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and I am back with another pour to cover up one of my not so happy accidents. We're gonna call this an accident. So I have some leftover paint from a pour that I did. Well, not a pour. I did a drip painting and I realized that I poured way too much paint and I have no way to store it. So I'm going to be doing a pour with the 3 primary colors and black and white. I think I'm going to make this a dirty pour just because I can. And since I have more black than anything, just going to do that. Letting it drip on the canvas because again, I can. Let's see the blue. I put the black in there. Some of this has acrylic oil in it, some of it does not. I'm gonna put in, this white is thick like glue, so it's gonna sink. I'm gonna put all that white in there. And do I want to toss this cup? I probably do, but I'll wait. Then I'm gonna get my yellow, which coming out of the bottle was like pigment juice, and I know that sounds really weird, but it's like water. So I know that's gonna pop up at the top. Now, I'm already getting some really interesting cells at the top of the cup, so I know that this pour is gonna be really unique and interesting and charismatic. Why do I get paint all over myself? I'm going to pour more black. And then I'm going to finish it off with yellow. I'm going to wipe that paint on the canvas. I'm going to stack that over there. Wipe the paint off my hands. And you know what? I think I'm going to also pour this with my strainer, just because I never do, and we're gonna see how that works out. Okay, gonna pour the last of my paint in this cup. Now the last time I used my strainer, it was on that really huge canvas, and I just feel like this will work a lot better for me. So let's move this up and start pouring. Who needs gloves? Well, this is looking really interesting already. Look at that. Just gonna kind of get the last of that paint out of there. Let's watch it. Next time I'm going to have a bit of a bath, I suppose. I don't know what to call that, but I'm gonna like pre-paint my surface so that the strainer moves around as it does this. I am looking at these cells. They're absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Gonna lift that. I have an interesting Mod Podge of colors in the center. Let's try to spread those out. You can definitely tell what the dominating color here was. Gonna get a little bit of back canvas here. I don't want to tilt this one around too much because I want to keep what's interesting. So oh, and I forgot the white had this metallic pearl. I actually got a white that was called metallic pearl the last time I went to Blick's, and so yeah, Okay, I touched the paint. Gotta stop that. I mean, this looks really bright on the camera. Let me tone it down a little bit so I can show you guys what's going on here. Okay, I'm back in a lower key on my camera settings. Look at that. Look at that. I am excited for this. Look at all those gorgeous cells. So, you know, needless to say, I'm probably going to leave this alone. Now, I do still have some exposed canvas. So what I'll do with that is just paint it black. And when I get done with it, I'll take a picture of this and you'll see it at the end of the video. So I hope you all enjoyed my little pour. I look forward to seeing this as it dries, what kinds of cells pop up, and just overall the end result. So, you know, guys, until next time, happy making.